Remove the clips at the front of the side skirt. Remove the clips inside the front wheel arch. Remove all long plastic rivets under the side skirt. Finally, remove the internal mounting screws of the side skirt, one screw at the front and one at the rear. After removing both screws, pull the original side skirt outward to remove it. Now install the carbon fiber side skirt. Align the mounting points and insert the side skirt. Install the rear mounting screw. Next, install the front mounting screw. Some batches may require self-drilling holes. Mark the drilling locations. Drill holes using the appropriate tool. Install the mounting screws. Install the clips. If the clip positions are significantly misaligned, or if the front gap is too large and the clip cannot be fully inserted, check if the bottom of the side skirt is pressing against the chassis. If so, trim the edge appropriately if necessary. Install underbody long plastic rivets for side skirt. If any mounting points lack pre-drilled holes, use the appropriate tool to drill them and then install the fasteners.